back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who are wanting to make a little bit of extra holiday cash. This company is hiring somebody to listen to audio files, type what you hear, part-time, and they are requiring no experience whatsoever. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I'm sharing are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to read reviews or get that application in, I do just ask that you let me know if you enjoy job leads like this. You can do that by giving this video a thumbs up like button or sharing it in the comments. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Neal R Gross Company. They are a court reporting firm. They only have 18 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, I urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a transcriber to work remote within the United States. Now, this is going to be a contract 1099 position. They are based out of Washington, D.C. as a court reporting and transcript company. It does say this is a work from home position. No transcription experience is necessary. It is preferred, but it's not required. You've got to be somebody who just has excellent English skills and can be timely with your transcribing of the audio files. They ask for somebody who can transcribe at least 3 hours of audio per week. Now, please note that 3 hours of audio per week does not mean 3 hours of work time. You're going to have to be stopping that audio, rewinding it, re-listening to it to make sure you didn't miss anything that was said. Sometimes you'll have to fast forward. So because you stop and start, I have done transcription work in the past, and it just depends on how fast of a typer you are, how fast you can get it done. But on average, it takes people 3 to 4 times the amount of audio hour. So for every 1 minute, it will take you 3 to 4 minutes to type. When you factor in all of that stopping, pausing to finish typing what you hear, rewinding, and things like that. Now, they do say that the audio that you'll be listening to and typing will be provided to you by FTP. That's a file transfer protocol. So you'll have to transcribe them accurately in a timely fashion according to the provided format that they give you. And you'll send them the completed verbatim transcript. Some transcription companies don't want you to type verbatim. They want you to take out and edit things like in different sounds, words that are incomplete, and things like that. However, this company just wants you to straight type everything you hear verbatim. Now, because they're not requiring any kind of experience, they do want somebody who has excellent English language skills, somebody who is great with grammar, punctuation, and spelling, who has great attention to detail and can meet deadlines. Of course, you got to have your own high-speed internet connection, and you have to be a U.S. citizen being able to work in the United States. They do require you to have some software on your computer. Most of these are free downloads, so you can just go Google them and download them. I did use these before. Now, a foot pedal is optional, but I have used a foot pedal before, and it does make things a little bit easier. So if you're going to get into transcription work, you might want to buy one down the road. Now, it does say transcribers are paid by the page of type. So if you have a Word document that's 5 pages, you'll be paid for 5 pages. It does say you're paid at a very competitive rate. However, it doesn't state what that rate is. On Glassdoor, legal transcribers for this company that work full-time and make anywhere from $45,000 to $70,000 a year. So you'll kind of have to do a little bit of math with that and see what the part-time would kind of break down to. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.